Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now select Loyalty program you are participating in. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards are available on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.